Well, it is October 30th, and we have a freeze coming in tomorrow night with a lot of precipitation, so it's going to be a wintry, cold mix. And I need to get down there to that garden and clean it out. I need to do my last harvest for the season. I've got some galangal and sweet potatoes and carrots to get up. I may have some sugar snap peas I can go ahead and pick, and then just various other things. And I need to cover up some things as well. So I'm going to take you down there in just a bit, and we're going to get those things out of the garden. And I'll spare you the boredom of having to move the rest of my containers into my garage, but I have a lot of things I still need to move down. I've been working slowly on it. I'll also go ahead and harvest all of this lemongrass out of this pot and freeze the stalks for the winter soups. And then down here I have some this kaffir lime tree that I've got to move inside. And this will probably be the last year I use this pot because it's brittle now. It's really starting to crack on me. I think I've used it 3 seasons now, and it tipped over the other day and cracked pretty good on one side, so I'm just hoping it will make it inside the house. I've got to move it up a little step there to get it inside, so I'm hoping I'll be able to do that without it cracking on me. That would just be terrible. And then so I have some lettuce over there as well. I'll go ahead and compost the one that's bolting on me, and then I'll use this Lolla Rossa probably this weekend. That's a really, really nice lettuce to use. Love it. It's really pretty and it's slow to bolt. So anyway, let's go down there and I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, well, I've got my work cut out for me. I'm going to go ahead and dig up all of this galangal here. And let's see what else I need to do. I need to take those little poles there. I'm going to cover up a couple of my beds. And I'm going to dig up all of my root vegetables. I have some carrots over there and some sweet potatoes. And then I'm going to transplant a couple of herbs, some dill and cilantro. Don't know that they'll make it because they do not like to be transplanted, but it's worth a shot. I have an empty pot and nothing's in it, so I'll just pop those in there and see how they do. So I'm going to go ahead and start by digging this up and show you what we've got. It smells so good. Okay, this is what I ended up with. I've got a good bit here. I've got my work cut out for me. Anyway, so it all looks real nice. You know, this is the part I use right here. So I need to go in and trim up all of these roots off of here. And I'm going to take off the green part as well. And I'll freeze the rest. I'm going to save some to use this week in curry. And let me go ahead and get the rest of what I came down here for. Okay, I have a lot of dill here, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in this pot here. And one little cilantro plant. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. I know there's some carrots down here. Hopefully they're nice, a nice size. Okay, now for sweet potatoes. I'm going to use my shovel just because I'm too lazy to go up and get my pitchfork. And I do believe I see a strawberry over there. That would be great. Let me check it out. Look at that strawberry. Go ahead and pick it. Okay, no sweet potatoes. I think I got two tiny ones, but all right. Well, I'll show you what we ended up with. I've got all that galangal right there, and I got some really nice carrots. So I'm happy about that. One tiny little strawberry and 3 baby sweet potatoes that are not worth eating. They've got some damage on them. So, all right, so I'm gonna go trim these up, and this will be my last harvest of the season. I've got just a little lemongrass to get out of the container garden, and I will be done. Okay, now I'm just going to do a pre-washing of my root vegetables, and I'm going to use a hard stream of water with the hose on it just to kind of get some of the loose dirt off. After the snowstorm, and it's absolutely beautiful today. And so it's about 11 o'clock, and it's 37 degrees, so it's very cold. So I'm not walking down to the garden, but I wanted to show you how it looks now, and I want to see how my plants are looking. The ones that I did not cover up, I'll know better in a couple of days. That's when they actually show how they're going to do. But there's a nice rapini down there, and some broccoli and a sugar snap pea vine. I don't know if those are going to make it or not. And then of course the covers managed to stay on through the storm. It was very windy, and I just anchored those down a little bit with some bricks on each side. And then the marigolds are still a little bit yellow, but I'm sure those will be gone this week. They'll brown and fall over. So, but it's very beautiful today. It's still looking a little bit like fall in my area. We have some color on the trees still, and the pond is just glistening So I hope you're having a beautiful day, and thanks for watching.